Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about a topic which is really related to my life. And I think that you can also relate with me, and because there are so many things which we face in our adulthood, like we face the lot of pressure, kind of pressure inside, a lot of stress, anxiety, and all those things we have to face in our adulthood, and our brain is just like that. I have to do this, I have to do this, but sometimes we cannot be able to do any of them, and we just feel lost. You know what actually matters, what I learn in my 21 currently I'm 21-year old, and what the learnings I am learning here is that what are the learnings I learn is in my 20s is that if you have a bad day in which you are literally feeling like you don't, and you are feeling that you cannot be uh, you cannot be able to do any of things you want in your life, and you not working enough to achieve your goal, and why the success is not coming to your gate, and so many things which are, so many thoughts are coming in your mind that everybody is doing great in their life, and everybody with my same age of mine are doing great in their life. They have money now, and they are creating so many things in their life, and you are still struggling with your sh- schedule and your routine and your habits, and all you are still confused in between that, your mind, and you are continuously thinking about, and you cannot be able to stop your thoughts for a while, because it's just a boom in your mind that, oh, I can't able to, now I can't able to manage all and handle all those stress alone. I need someone. But you can handle the things alone, and it doesn't mean that last night you feeling this kind of stuff and next morning is the same as you can change. Your actions, your habits are literally matters. you know I just wanted to tell you the yesterday's story. Inside, I wake up at 11 a.m. in the morning, and then I start using my phone and watching some web series and all this, and the day long, all the day I watch that series and I do nothing. And at the end of the day, I have so many regrets in my mind, and I am in guilt that why I don't study, why I don't do something for my do why I don't why I cannot be able to take time, take half, at least half an hour for my work. My mind is just too fucked up at that time that I can't able to focus on another thing also. And that's and that's and here I realized that if you have a bad day, if you are not doing enough, then please take out half an hour to get into the momentum of doing that work. What I'm trying to say is that I know that your whole day is not be productive at all. You are distracted, you can do other things, you do other things, but it doesn't mean that you cannot be able to work on your goals, and you cannot be focus on your work. You can, but the thing here is that so many factors are here. Listen, first I will explaining you the thing. अभी ये मेरे को थोड़ा फ्लो में आया है, मैं बताती हूँ.